Hi everyone, let us see the quick unboxing review of 3.5mm jack to C port converter. Nowadays most of the mobile phones are coming without the 3.5mm jack, so we have to use this type of converters. Let's check how it is looking. Yeah, it's quite fine. That is the way we have to use this type of converter. For if you want to use the 3.5mm means you have to use like this. Likewise, most of the headphones and earphones are coming under 3.5mm jack, so you have to use this way. After that you have to insert this C type port into your phone